artificial intelligence tools. ChatGPT has revolutionized the usage of AI. AI is growing so fast that even ChatGPT came up with newer version less than 2 weeks with more power. It will be big surprise if someone is not aware of ChatGPT, and people who are in a domain are fully aware of ChatGPT. ChatGPT full form is Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Let us break ChatGPT as Chat plus Generative plus Pre-trained plus Transformer. Let us learn at the above 4 in detail. What is the meaning of chat in ChatGPT? In ChatGPT, the term chat refers to the model's ability to generate natural language responses to user input, similar to a chatbot. ChatGPT is a language model that is pre-trained on a large corpus of text data, and it is designed to generate contextually appropriate responses to user input. The chat aspect of ChatGPT is what makes it useful for conversational applications, such as chatbots and virtual assistants. By generating natural language responses to user input, ChatGPT can simulate human-like conversation and provide useful information or assistance to users. ChatGPT is similar to other language models, such as GPT-2 and GPT-3, but it is specifically designed for conversational applications. It is trained on a diverse range of conversational data, including social media posts, customer service interactions, and other types of online conversations. This allows it to generate responses that are contextually appropriate and relevant to the user's input. What is generative? In GPT, the term generative refers to the model's ability to generate natural language text. The GPT model is a type of language model that is trained on a large corpus of text data, and it is designed to generate new text that is similar in style and tone to the training data. During training, the GPT model learns the statistical patterns and relationships between words and phrases in the training data. This allows it to generate new text that is coherent and contextually appropriate, even if it has never seen that particular text before. The generative aspect of GPT is what makes it useful for a wide range of natural language processing tasks, such as language translation, text summarization, and even chatbot responses. By generating new text that is similar in style and tone to the training data, the GPT model can produce high-quality outputs that are useful for a variety of applications. What is the meaning of pre-trained? In GPT, the term pre-trained refers to the fact that the model is trained on a large corpus of text data before being fine-tuned for a specific task. During pre-training, the GPT model is trained on a massive amount of text data, such as books, articles, and web pages. This allows the model to learn the statistical patterns and relationships between words and phrases in the text data, which is essential for generating coherent and contextually appropriate text. After pre-training, the GPT model can be fine-tuned for a specific task, such as language translation or text summarization. Fine-tuning involves training the model on a smaller dataset that is specific to the task at hand. By fine-tuning the pre-trained model, it can be adapted to the specific nuances and requirements of the task, while still retaining the knowledge and patterns learned during pre-training. The pre-training step is important because it allows the GPT model to learn a broad range of language patterns and relationships, which can be applied to a wide range of natural language processing tasks. This makes the model more versatile and adaptable to different applications. What is transformer? The transformer is a key component of the GPT language model. It is a type of neural network architecture that was introduced in a 2017 paper by Vaswani et al. Called Attention is All You Need. The transformer is designed to process sequential data, such as text, and it does so by using a self-attention mechanism. This means that the model can attend to different parts of the input sequence to determine which parts are most relevant for generating the output. The transformer consists of an encoder and a decoder, each of which contains multiple layers of self-attention and feed-forward neural networks. During training, the model is pre-trained on a large corpus of text data, which allows it to learn the statistical patterns and relationships between words and phrases. The GPT language model uses the transformer architecture to generate natural language text, such as articles, stories, and even chatbot responses. By using the self-attention mechanism, the model is able to generate coherent and contextually appropriate text that is similar in style and tone to the training data. There are numerous services and products which are using this GPT and derivatives of GPT in one way or other, and some of them are going to be so helpful for all of us that we will be astonished with the results. Let us look at a simple service which is using GPT, and after using this for 2 to 3 minutes, one can transform themselves into an interior designer without knowing anything about designing or decorations of a room. It is known as Roomgpt, generating dream rooms, using AI for everyone. Take a picture of your room and see how your room looks in different themes. Remodel your room today.